Okay, here we are. Look at this. Finally, this was a tough file, to be honest, because it took, I think, like 4 months just to get the results that we see here, or most of the results. Look at the score. It increased 52 points, 60 points, and 46 points. So let's just say 50 points across the board on the safe side. Added 13 positive accounts and deleted 6. Let's show the accounts that were deleted. So this client in particular wanted Ally Financial to be removed. It was a very difficult account. He actually almost lost faith in me. But we, as you can see, we got it removed. Show Ally Financial. Chapter bankruptcy was removed. Toyota Motor Credit, that was a charge off or something, or repossession. Go up, Ally Financial. Macy's.
The inquiries, Ally Financial is not on there. It's updated.
Updated.
It's
See, Ally
updated.
Financial.
It's updated, not removed.
The late payment.
Yeah, the late payment.
Okay. So the late payment was removed, as you can see here. And yeah, there it is.